Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relax in Life. We are here at Miami Beach, Florida at Hilton Cabana Bay Resort. Now if you want to see the room or what we've done here specifically, we'll be having shorts, and I have a couple of links for you in the video description. Now let's get into the yoga. So this month's theming is going to be about sun salutations. We're going to do these in parts as well, and then when we're all said and done, you can watch all 3 videos, and I'll have links to all 3 of them so you can watch them. But we're going to just dive into certain parts of it. So we're going to start with the pose of the month, and that is mountain pose. So you're going to have your hands out, and you're going to close your eyes and smile, and breathe in, breathe that ocean air in and out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. One more time. Breathe in and out. All right, there you have it. Now check back with us next week for part 1 of sun salutations. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.